Once upon a time, in a charming forest, lived a little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was known for his insatiable curiosity. He spent his days exploring, climbing trees, and collecting acorns. One sunny morning, while searching for acorns, Sammy discovered a mysterious, shiny chest hidden beneath a pile of leaves. It was covered in enchanting symbols and had a lock that seemed to sparkle with magic. Sammy's heart raced with excitement. With a determined spirit, Sammy decided to find the key to unlock the chest. He asked his animal friends for help. The wise old owl suggested visiting the wise turtle who lived by the peaceful pond. The turtle had seen many things over the years. Sammy made his way to the pond and met the turtle. The turtle listened to Sammy's story and shared a riddle. To open the chest, seek the tallest tree in the forest, where the wise old oak whispers secrets to the wind. Sammy rushed to the tallest tree and heard the secrets of the wind. He found the key hidden in a nook of the tree. With the key in his tiny paws, he returned to the chest and unlocked it. Inside, he found a magical golden acorn, which would ensure the forest's prosperity forever. Sammy had solved the mystery and saved his home, thanks to his curiosity and the help of his friends. From that day on, Sammy was known as the wisest squirrel in the forest, and the animals gathered to hear his tales of adventure and discovery.